Good afternoon to all. Today we are going to see about PHP variables. So all of you know about the PHP program. PHP is is one type of language. So with the help of PHP, we can develop your web pages easily. So under this programming language, we can use the what kind of variables, what are the notations can be used, how to declare the variables. So these all the things can be see in this topic. So first one is variables. Variable is nothing but it is a symbol that can store different values at different times. In every programming languages we need a variable. So without variables we can't do anything. So variables mainly used for to store the values in different times. For example, a is one type of variable. So before using the variable we can declare what kind of variable, what type of data variable can be stored. So for example, integer, character. So we can use various data types. We can declare the variables. Okay, so the variable is named memory locations that contains the data and may be manipulated throughout the execution of the program. So in PHP, the variables can be declared. How we can declare? So the variables must begin with the dollar sign. So in each and every programming languages, we can declare the variable in different way. In PHP, the variables can be declared using dollar sign. Okay, and it can be followed by variable name. And the variable must begin with letter or underscore, and it may be consist of letters, numbers, and etc. Up to the range from 127 through 255. For example, so the color is an one variable. So before using the dollar sign, and we can use the variable in numbers also. So these are the example. It is an invalid killer. 34 number. So before starting with the number, it is a wrong. Only start with an alphabetic, then only we can followed by the numbers. Okay, so these in this way we can declare the variable. So after that, variables value assignment. So assignment with the assigning the values to the variables, we can use the assignment operator. So equal to sign. Okay, so for example, color is a variable, so we can assign the value to the color. So with the help of equal to sign, so red. So within double quotes we can use. So each and every statement can ends with the semicolon. Okay, so in this way we can allocate or assign the value to the particular variable. And next one is variable declarations. So that under this topic we are going to see about the reference assignment. So reference is nothing but we can refer some value to the particular variable. Okay, so we can reference is nothing but we can use the ampersand symbol. You can assign the variables by reference by appending the ampersand symbol to the equal sign. For example, x is a variable, we can allocate x equal to 50. So if the 50 is a value, we can assign x. Then y equal to ampersand symbol, then x. So the x can be referred. Okay, sorry, y is a variable, we can refer the x value. So here y equal to x. So in this way we can refer in the particular values in a using ampersand symbol. Next one is variable scope. Scope is nothing but the lifetime of the particular variable. Okay, so there are various types of available. One is a local variable, function parameter, static variables, and then global variables. So local variables is nothing but the variables can be declared inside the function. So that is called as local variable. So once the functions can be executed, then only the variables can be destroyed. So for example, here x equal to 40. Here function name is sample. Inside the function we can declare x equal to 100. So this is a local variable. So inside the function x value can be printed. Then again we can call the sample function. So then again print outside the function of x. So here x is an inside the function, it is 100, and outside the function is 40. So that is called as a local variable. And variable scope, there is a function parameters. Functions parameters is nothing but example function extend. Here we can pass the value to the parameter in parenthesis. Okay, inside the function we can pass the value. For example, in function name extend, and then we can pass the parameter value equal to 10. So this is called as function parameter. And next topic is called as a variable scope, like a global variables. Global in the sense it is common to all. In a program is contains so many functions, and each and every function can use some variables. So before declaring the function or inside the function, we can use global variable. So global is a keyword. Here in the example, x equal to 40, it is an global variable. And function sample is a function. Inside the sample function we can declare the variable x equal to 100. So before declaring the variable is called, it is a global, so using the keyword global. Okay, so after that we can calling the function, we can printing. So here after the function is value 1000. Here 10 100 into 10,000. So inside the function we can take, and after the function again we can call x equal to divided by 2. So then 100 divided by 2 is a 50. So after the x value is assigned, so that is called um, 50 into 10, 500. Okay, so these are all the ways we can declare the variables. And static variables nothing but the values. Once we can declare the variable and assign the value, so the value must still, the value cannot be changed until the function will be executed. So in this case we can declare the variable is called as static. So these are all the ways we can declare the variables. So variable is nothing but we can store the different values in different times. Also in this topic we all see about how the variable can be declared, and what are the way we can declare the variables and assigning the variables, and how to reference the variables. These all the topics can be seen. Okay, thank you.